Our only crime, perhaps, is trying to revolutionize our health system, for example, to equip our hospitals, to build modern hospitals. Perhaps our crime has been to want to revolutionize our education system, to build standard schools, to change our curricula. Our crime is perhaps to have allowed our farmers to have cheaper fertilizer, to plow their fields for free so that we achieve food self-sufficiency. Or perhaps our crime is to want to build road and rail infrastructure so that our populations can move. This is one of those days that will go down in the history books of Burkina Faso and the entire Sahel Alliance region. The people that were present here this morning and those watching on TV were filled with anticipation as the sun began its ascent, casting a warm glow over Ouagadougou. This crowd comprised of citizens from all walks of life, all gathered in the Place de la Nation, and their faces were reflecting a mixture of pride and hope. The occasion was the annual flag-raising ceremony, but this year held added weight and meaning, because the flag of the new AES Alliance, comprising Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, was also being raised. Following the raising of these flags, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the youthful president of Burkina Faso, even after several failed coups plots on his life, stepped forward to address the throng. He stood tall and resolute, his voice resonating with conviction as he began to speak, explaining why he has been a target. His words, carefully chosen and powerfully delivered, were not just for the people of Burkina Faso gathered before him, but for the entire continent of Africa. He spoke of resilience, self-determination, and the unwavering pursuit of sovereignty. At the beginning, people mocked us, ridiculed us because for them, 3 poor countries uniting would lead to nothing. But we continued our path. And today, I think they realize that we are succeeding at something. He also addressed the challenges facing the nation and the continent, acknowledging the hardships, but emphasizing the unwavering spirit of the Burkinabè people and their commitment to building a brighter future. His message was one of unity, encouraging intra-African cooperation and collaboration to overcome shared obstacles and achieve lasting prosperity. Captain Traoré's speech, broadcasted live across the nation and disseminated via international news outlets, was a call to action, a clarion call for a new era of African independence and progress. Here is the full speech, translated from French to English for your understanding. This is Uplifting Africa. Today, we solemnly display the colors of the AES Confederation to show that the AES is continuing its path, not without difficulties, but we continue to build, little by little, what our people aspire to. At the beginning, people mocked us, ridiculed us because for them, 3 poor countries uniting would lead to nothing. But we continued our path. And today, I think they realize that we are succeeding at something that some do not wish to see, but that some have also failed to do. When you try to break the mold to revolutionize your life, people will always ridicule you. They will mock you, but eventually, they will realize that you are right. I think that today, looking at international and even sub-regional geopolitics, those who are enlightened will understand that the AES was right to take this path. For those who do not want to wake up, we can do nothing for them. They will always remain in their sleep, but we will continue to evolve. We hope that through this solemn ceremony, all the friends of Burkina Faso, the friends of the AES, can understand that we remain open to all those who want a sincere and respectful partnership. The AES will be a welcoming land, and we can collaborate, but those who come to exploit us, or have a partnership that we deem inappropriate, who come to violate our sovereignty, our independence, should understand that we will not be ready to welcome them. We will continue our march because difficulties contribute to forging us. Difficulties make us strong. The AES was born in blood and sweat. It will continue its path for the happiness of the people of the Sahel. Before we continue, if you love what we do here on this channel and would like to support us, then you might consider gifting us a super thanks donation of any amount. Or you might as well become an uplifting Africa channel member for exclusive content, perks and more. Links to join are in the pinned comment and in the description box. I hope that everyone, through their daily actions, will ensure that the revolution we have started is the good and best one that can inspire all of Africa to unite. When I take the case of Burkina Faso, we have tried many things, and we will continue to undertake many things, but it has not always been easy. Our only crime, perhaps, is trying to revolutionize our health system, for example, to equip our hospitals, to build modern hospitals. Perhaps our crime has been to want to revolutionize our education system, to build standard schools, to change our curricula. Our crime is perhaps to have allowed our farmers to have cheaper fertilizer, to plow their fields for free so that we achieve food self-sufficiency. Or perhaps our crime is to want to build road and rail infrastructure so that our populations can move. In short, everything we try to do, I think some have always tried, unfortunately, salon slaves, Africans who blindly follow the imperialists, have tried to discourage us. There is no reason to be demotivated because history has always proven us right, and history will continue to prove us right. Today, so many things grow on our soil. When we announced at the beginning that we wanted to launch into agriculture, they took us for fools. They said it would not work. Today, our cocoa is doing very well. Sunflower is doing very well in Burkina. Our wheat is doing very well. In short, there are so many speculations that we have tried, but they have tried to discourage us. And I hope that you will never be discouraged in your daily tasks to revolutionize your lives. And it must be so for everyone. And to say that Africa must understand that we have the potential to be self-sufficient, to be independent, to be sovereign. This battle will continue within the AES, and we will continue to join hands, to unite. Long live a united and prosperous Africa. Long live a united, free, peaceful and prosperous Sahel. Long live Burkina Faso. May God bless our homeland. Homeland or death, we shall overcome.